Gotta love me a good wireless charger. Oh yes, good wireless charger. And most of them that we get nowadays are fine. They're good. You can hear the dog running upstairs. Anyways, we got this one here. It's a 3-in-1 MagSafe wireless charging station, Bamboo. So I'm sure it's very similar to the other wireless ones out there, but Bamboo. So that's kind of cool. I like the fact that it's got just different build quality. So first off, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, of course. We'll look at the Amazon listing. I have a feeling, I'm kind of unsure, because I haven't opened it, whether or not this will come with all the charging cables. $29.99 seems very reasonable, but it seems also really inexpensive if it comes with the chargers. So that we'll have to see. So wireless charging station for Apple, 3-in-1 wireless charging stand, 20 watt. So it says 20 watt fast magnetic Bamboo charging station. So I'm guessing that it has some kind of power management in it. I'm guessing the phone wireless charging part probably is there. Maybe even because it points out for, like you can see here, like for, well, wireless earbuds. These are probably AirPods, but whatever, right? I don't know. Maybe it does have all of them. Wouldn't that be something? Because it kind of looks that way. And if that's a true thing, then that's actually a pretty good deal. Luckily for you fine folks, I have an Apple Watch and an iPhone. I don't have AirPods, but my Apple Watch is dead, so that's excellent. There you go, 3-in-1 20 watt fast magnetic wireless charger. The magnetic phone charger stand output is up to 15 watts. Earphone output is 5 watts. And the iWatch, Apple Watch, not iWatch, 3 watts. Note, we recommend using a Type-C charger with a power of no less than 20 watts. So here, my guess is it doesn't have the wall brick. That's why they're saying you need to make sure you have one that's over 20 watt, which makes sense because it can send out 20 watts. But if you only have a 5 watt charger or a 10 watt charger, then you're just not getting the power anyway. Yeah. Okay. Well, okay. I'm down. Let's see. 3-in-1. Yeah, I guess maybe it has everything. Oh yes, there it is. Not included. And even that's an 18 watt. Maybe you should get a bigger one, but 18 watt for sure. Okay. Does say no case yes, MagSafe case yes, regular case iPhone 11 and lower models unless it has a case on an iPhone 11 that allows it, because it has Qi charging. So if you get some of them that have the little MagSafe adapter, bro, do you guys hear that? Lunch. Anyways, okay, good enough. This is it right here. Yes, Bamboo. There's your little specs, little things that says that it's capable of. Some stats, right? Outputs, etc. I'm expecting, I always think of Bamboo to look a certain way, and then I get it and I'm like, it kind of looks like plywood. But I don't know, that's what it is. User manual. Yeah, it's a charging station. Silica gel, cool. Oh, that's a good size cable, right? USB-C to USB-C. So realize that you need a USB-C charging brick. So if you have like a USB-A to USB-C, or no, it doesn't matter. If you have a charging brick which is just USB-A, do I have USB-C here? I do. So just be aware, right? Be aware. And I'm guessing that's it. That's it right there. Wood. Bamboo. I guess that's bamboo, right? I don't know what bamboo's supposed to look like or feel like. I guess it looks and feels like this. I expected, honestly, I expected it to, I don't know what I expected. I'll be honest with you. I had no idea, but it looks nice. Yes, it's nice. That would be nice on the desk, especially if it had a more wood accents. I think that would look nice. Okay, there's your USB-C. So let's see if this works. I don't even know if you're gonna get lights or what's happening. I have no idea. So this is going in here. Yes. This is going in here. Do you get a, oh, you do get a light. Look at that. The wood has light. Fantastic. We'll just place that somewhere. So my phone, I don't know, because it's MagSafe. This says MagSafe. Oh yeah, it sticks on there. Oh, looky. Already impressed. And this, you wouldn't think, right? You wouldn't think that there's an actual charger there. No, you wouldn't. I like that. And the light on the front, just so you guys know, went white because it's charging something. So now I'm gonna, my watch is like dead. Oh no, look, charging. Well. It actually does what it says it's supposed to do. Well, good, I guess. All right, I like that. Enjoy stress-free charging while enjoying a good sleep. Because you don't want to be stressed out about whether this is going to charge. Nope, no sir. So, the only thing you need, just realize, which is why the price is, I don't want to say as little as it is. Actually, you know what? That's a really good deal because you get the cable, you get an Apple Watch charger, you get a phone charger, and you get one for like headphones, right? And I know for a fact, if you go get the little dongle, the little Apple Watch charger, that thing's like, I don't know, $20, $30, $40. It's probably almost as much as this whole thing. Sure, it's more portable. I get it. But a lot of these, when they first came out, especially the cheaper ones, things that are like priced at $20, $30, which is good. That's US price. You'd have to supply your own Apple Watch charger, and they would have a hole in there that you just, that's really cool that it actually charges through the wood. I like that. I can't test the AirPods because I don't have any, but I'm gonna guess that it works. Yep. That's it. I think it's $29, and if you're looking for Bamboo, this is a Bamboo charger, and it's good. Plus, look at that, 10% off. So you get $3 off that, $4 to $3, $3 off that. So that's all right. So $27. That's a win. I'd say that's totally a win. All right, guys, I will leave links to this if you are interested at all. And that's all. Links down below. It helps support the channel, so I'm not gonna say don't do it. Even if you take the link and go get something else, supports the channel, which I appreciate for sure. And that's all. That's all.